Our position is that we have ascertained that there is a sham trial going on. All Tinubu needs to do is to call his Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi, SAN, to ask him to file a nolle. He nullifies, the nolle prosecutes a word for discontinuation of a criminal trial. I'm not a lawyer, so I may not have pronounced it properly. And if they do that, it ends all of this. My issue is that an injustice is being perpetrated. You are called upon as the head of state, as the president of the country, officially, to stop the injustice that is being perpetrated against a citizen of Nigeria. You see, some of us who have been around for a while, we know this tactic. It happened to Abiola after he won his election in 1993. It was the same strategy. Anytime people say release Abiola, they say he's in court. Until Abiola died in detention. They claimed that they were supposed to release Abiola the next day, and he died in detention. Anybody who saw Nnamdi Kanu on October 16 in court, you know that this man is very, very ill. I don't want to use the word gravely ill. And there's been this whole claim that the Nigeria Medical Association said that they have conducted tests on him, he can stand trial. The DSS has an hospital. I've been to DSS hospital before. It's on the way to the airport. They cannot treat a cat successfully there. It's just a bunch of beds and some equipments that cannot handle complicated medical issues. We are not even asking that Nnamdi Kanu be taken out of the country. Let's take him to a proper hospital where he can treat himself. But we are not even asking for him to be released on those grounds, but for the trial to be discontinued, and then he can rejoin his family and live his normal life. Okay. Nigeria should stop becoming a nation state that treats its innocent as criminals and treats its criminals as innocent. That's the problem we are facing here. So all the arguments you hear that this is in court, the people who are making those arguments themselves don't want to go to a Nigerian court for trial for anything.
Thank you so much, Omoyele Sowore.